Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's video talk where we'll be discussing the exciting world of artificial intelligence and why it's essential to not only learn about it, but also stay up to date with the latest developments. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming industries across the globe. By learning and staying up to date on AI developments, you position yourself for incredible opportunities. Whether you're in healthcare, finance, or any other field, AI can enhance your career prospects and open doors to new possibilities. Staying informed about AI developments keeps you ahead of the curve. The technology evolves rapidly, and by staying up to date, you're equipped with the latest tools and knowledge to excel in your field. This advantage can lead to career growth and recognition. Learning about AI fosters problem-solving skills and fuels innovation. As AI progresses, it's being used to tackle complex challenges in various domains. By understanding AI, you can contribute to innovative solutions, making a real impact on society. AI isn't confined to a single industry. Its applications are vast and cross-cutting. By keeping up with AI developments, you gain insights into how it can benefit different sectors. This knowledge allows you to adapt and apply AI concepts in diverse contexts. The job market is evolving, and many roles are becoming AI-augmented. Learning about AI ensures you're future-proofing your career. You'll be equipped to work alongside AI systems and adapt to the changing job landscape. AI isn't just about technology, it also has ethical and social implications. Staying informed about these aspects helps you make informed decisions and contribute positively to the responsible development and deployment of AI. In conclusion, learning about AI and staying up to date with its developments offers numerous benefits. It unlocks opportunities, keeps you ahead in your field, fosters innovation, allows for cross-industry applications, future-proofs your career, and enables you to engage responsibly with AI's ethical and social dimensions. Embrace the potential of AI and stay informed to reap the rewards. Learning AI can be an exciting journey, and it's never too late to begin. Don't forget to check out the courses in the description box to kickstart your AI education. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and colleagues. For more videos on AI and technology, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.